Welcome to Tech Eureka TV, where we explore the latest breakthroughs in science and technology. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at SpaceX, the space exploration company founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk. SpaceX was founded in 2002 with the goal of making space exploration more affordable and accessible. Prior to SpaceX, the cost of launching payloads into space was prohibitively expensive, largely due to the fact that rockets were designed to be used only once and then discarded. To overcome this challenge, SpaceX focused on developing reusable rocket technology. The company's Falcon 9 rocket, for example, is equipped with landing legs and thrusters that allow it to land back on Earth after launching a payload into space. This has dramatically reduced the cost of launching payloads, as the rocket can be refurbished and used again for future missions. In addition to reusable rockets, SpaceX has also developed other groundbreaking technologies that have helped to lower the cost of space exploration. For example, the company has developed advanced manufacturing techniques that have reduced the time and cost required to build rockets and spacecraft. The Falcon Heavy rocket is one of the most powerful rockets in the world, and it is capable of carrying up to 64 metric tons, 141,000 pounds, of cargo into space. This makes it an ideal choice for large-scale missions that require a significant amount of equipment or supplies. The first successful launch of the Falcon Heavy rocket took place on February 6, 2018, and it was a historic moment for space exploration. The rocket was launched from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, and it carried a unique payload, a cherry red Tesla Roadster electric car, complete with a mannequin driver named Starman. Since that first successful launch, the Falcon Heavy rocket has been used for a number of important missions. In addition to the deployment of the TESS exoplanet hunting satellite, the rocket has also been used to launch a number of communication satellites and to deliver supplies to the International Space Station. The success of the Falcon Heavy rocket has demonstrated SpaceX's ability to develop cutting-edge rocket technology that can meet the needs of a wide range of space missions. It has also helped to further reduce the cost of launching payloads into space, which is a key goal of SpaceX's mission to make space exploration more accessible and affordable. Overall, the Falcon Heavy rocket represents a major milestone in the history of space exploration and a testament to the hard work and dedication of the SpaceX team. The successful launch and return of the Crew Dragon spacecraft in May 2020 was a major milestone for SpaceX and for American space exploration. This marked the first time since 2011 that American astronauts had launched from American soil, ending a decade-long reliance on Russian spacecraft to transport astronauts to and from the International Space Station, ISS. The mission, known as Demo 2, was a test flight of the Crew Dragon spacecraft that carried NASA astronauts Doug Hurley and Bob Behnken to the ISS. The spacecraft was launched atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida and docked with the ISS about 19 hours later. The successful mission demonstrated SpaceX's ability to safely transport astronauts to and from space, a critical capability for future missions to the ISS and beyond. It also marked the first time that a privately developed spacecraft had carried humans into orbit, signaling a new era of space exploration driven by private companies like SpaceX. Following their 2-month stay aboard the ISS, Hurley and Behnken returned to Earth inside the Crew Dragon spacecraft, splashing down in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Florida. The successful return marked the first time that a crewed spacecraft had splashed down in U.S. waters since the Apollo-Soyuz test project mission in 1975. Overall, the successful launch and return of the Crew Dragon spacecraft was a major milestone for SpaceX and for the future of space exploration. The mission demonstrated the company's ability to develop safe and reliable spacecraft for human spaceflight, and it marked the beginning of a new era in which private companies play a leading role in human space exploration. SpaceX has some truly ambitious plans for the future that could revolutionize space exploration and connectivity on Earth. The company is currently focused on developing a fully reusable spacecraft called Starship, which is designed to carry both crew and cargo to destinations beyond Earth's orbit. According to SpaceX's CEO Elon Musk, the ultimate goal of the Starship program is to establish a self-sustaining human presence on Mars. The Starship spacecraft is designed to be completely reusable, with both the first and second stages capable of landing back on Earth after each mission. The spacecraft will be powered by a powerful rocket engine called Raptor, which uses methane and liquid oxygen as fuel. The company has already conducted several test flights of the Starship prototype, including a high-altitude flight test in December 2020 that reached an altitude of more than 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, before landing successfully. In addition to the Starship program, SpaceX is also working on a project called Starlink, which aims to launch a constellation of thousands of internet satellites into low Earth orbit. These satellites will provide high-speed internet access to people around the world, particularly in rural and remote areas that currently lack reliable internet connectivity. SpaceX has already launched over 1,700 Starlink satellites into orbit, and plans to launch thousands more in the coming years. The company has also begun offering early beta access to Starlink internet service in select areas, with plans to expand coverage to more locations in the near future. Overall, SpaceX's future plans are incredibly ambitious and have the potential to revolutionize both space exploration and connectivity on Earth. The company's focus on developing fully reusable spacecraft and cutting-edge technology could open up new opportunities for human space exploration and make high-speed internet access available to people around the world. With its innovative technology and ambitious goals, SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of space exploration and inspiring the next generation of scientists and engineers. We can't wait to see what they'll achieve next. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest scientific and technological advancements. We also encourage you to leave a comment with any ideas for future video topics. Thank you for watching.